Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we'll go over the order form template. Monday.com has a pre-built custom template where you can streamline all important order information. Forget the manual data entry, and we'll show you how to use a form to gather orders from your customers. So let's get going. With this template, you can save time, keep track of all your orders, and monitor order progress. Additionally, this can be integrated with a variety of software, allowing you to operate entirely within the Monday.com platform without having to switch between other applications. Such software includes Google Drive, Excel, Teams, OneDrive, Outlook, and Gmail. This template comes with a Monday work form that is shareable to customers and an order form board where you can manage all of the customers' orders. Now that our template has been installed, we can take a look at our form. Let's adjust the widget for us to be able to see the full structure of our form. Customers can fill out their orders, indicate in the spaces provided what they wanted to buy, how many pieces they'd like to order, and the most important part when sharing this form is we get their personal information that we can use for future campaign leads, gathering their names, email address, phone number. Now with the order form board, new orders comes into this group called new orders. And a separate group is something that we can customize later on. We can also change the status for each order as working on it, stuck, and delivered. Let's rename this group into delivered orders because we wanted to keep track all deliveries. If you are wondering if there's a better solution to automate the moving of orders from one group to the another, well, Monday.com automation is the key right there. We will make a very simple automation recipe. When status changes to something, then move item to group. Status will then be our trigger. The condition is when the item is delivered, and the action is to move the item to the delivered orders group. Now that sounds cool. Simple, right? Let's try if it works by changing the status of the available items on our board into delivered status. With the automation we created, with just one click automatically your items will move from one group to the other. To prevent any possible errors, arrange your orders visually by using this template from Monday.com. Quickly view your order details and keep an eye on everything that is moving. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.